The Israel-Iran war has entered a more dangerous phase, raising serious concerns across the Middle East and beyond. Tensions rose sharply after the United States and Israel carried out joint military strike inside Iran. Soon after, Iran responded, following earlier warnings from its leaders that any attack on its territory would be met with force. While missiles were launched towards Israel, targeting the air raid sirens in several Israeli cities. Israel's air defense systems intercepted many of the incoming rockets, but authorities warned that the threat has not passed yet. Well, the conflict then widened further. The Houthis, an Iran-aligned armed group based in Yemen, also fired missiles towards Israel. Well, the involvement has increased the fears of the fighting that it could spread across the region more and more. The Houthis have previously targeted Israel, including the attacks that reached areas near the Ben Gurion airport. According to Israeli officials, the latest round of violence began with the preemptive strikes inside Iran. Israeli Defense Minister said that the attacks were aimed at neutralizing what he described as the serious and immediate threats. Shortly afterwards, the US President Donald Trump confirmed that American forces had been part in the operation. He described it as a major military action designed to weaken Iran's missile program and prevent further escalation. Well, Iranian state media later reported explosions near Tehran and other cities. Iranian leaders condemned the attacks and promised a strong response. Missiles were launched towards Israel, with Houthi that said that these strikes were carried out in support of Iran. Basically, Houthi and Iran all together against Israel and the United States. In Israel, emergency measures have been tightened, air raid sirens are surrounded repeatedly, and the residents have been advised to stay close to the shelters, while parts of Israel airspace has also been restricted. And now the breaking is that Houthis and Iran in combined have also struck the American air bases, all diverted, cancelled, and into the war. International reactions have been swift. Governments around the world are closely monitoring the developments, and warnings are further escalating. Well, analysts say a wider conflict could disrupt trade routes, energy supplies, and financial markets for many more countries that are not even involved. For now, both sides appear to be assessing their next steps. Diplomatic efforts continue behind the scenes, but the risk of further military action remains high. Stay with us for more such updates. Thanks for watching.